Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radio since 1977. Tint World, America's largest and fastest growing automotive styling centers. AP Laser, leading the way. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner and you're looking for tool storage, DragonfireTools.com is the place to go. And the 22-drawer roll-around might be a great place to start. This thing is a monster, Lou. Tell me about it.
So with over 1,516 pounds of steel here, Dave, I mean, we've thought of a lot. We've done a lot of research and a lot of engineering and able to put this out in the market.
What are some of the features that make this really versatile?
With the amount of storage that we have here, we have several different drawer types. We've got some thin drawers, we've got some wide drawers, we've got some ultra deep drawers that are over 11 inches deep for some of that big tooling, and then we've got these twin open door cabinets here.
What are some of the construction features that make this durable and it's going to make this something that's going to last for a long time?
We have a 14 gauge tubular steel all welded frame here. So when this thing shows up, it shows up just like you see it. There's no assembly. This is one of the only units that we have that the casters actually come on the unit when we ship it, and that's for safety purposes, just so that you're not trying to put the casters on yourself with this being so big and heavy.
And let's talk about the casters. This thing is so enormous, yet it's easy to roll around because of the quality casters you put on it.
Yeah, so we have 6 heavy-duty swivel casters underneath. The 4 corners are locking swivels, and all the casters have grease fittings for maintenance.
You have high-quality casters, but the drawers themselves are built to last for a long, long time. What makes them so durable?
So we're using 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies on these with gusseted bottoms. So the wide drawers and all the double rail drawers have the gussets on the bottom of the drawer for strength and rigidity.
At DragonfireTools.com, you can find the tool storage solution for you, whether you're a pro or you're just working at home. DragonfireTools.com has a special discount code too for Motorhead Garage viewers. You'll get free shipping and a discount if you type in Motorhead. You can go to Tribotex.com and see all their scientific research and animations. It'll show you how Tribotex works. But if you're still skeptical, just crack open the engine here, Pasha, and you can see on these main bearings that Tribotex is working. How can you tell?
If you look at the engine, very often you cannot tell which oil was used before. But when you use Tribotex, you see film, ceramic coating, deposited as the gray layer of a coating that coats worn out parts. On the rod and main bearings, it's very broad area and intense one. But on the cap bearings that does not have inserts and just plain aluminum, they designed to worn out during the lifetime. So once they start to wear out, valve trains start to make noise, and there is no way to replace it or upgrade it. If you rebuild the engine, you still put those old cap bearings in. So the Tribotex put the layer here where material is worn and replaces it. And another question people ask us, what does it do in the piston cylinder group? Does it coat cross-hatching or something? We did specific tests just to make sure that we not violate manufacturer specification on cross-hatching. And we applied coating to cylinder and ring group and analyzed the surface. So cross-hatching still remains there and remains intact, and the layer goes on top of the asperities and form this thermal barrier that retains heat inside of the cylinder to push your pistons with more force. That's why it is unique application and unique technology that does not much with your oil but become part of your engine. So after Tribotex, you can wear our coating, not your engine.
And Tribotex makes your engine run better. It also makes it last longer. It actually repairs the parts of your engine. Check out how it works at Tribotex.com. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Let's say we do it again next week. Same time, same sandbox. And if you have a product you want to see featured on the show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll get you here in our Masters Entertainment Group studios. From our entire crew here at the studio, so long. We'll see you next time.